Hello students, in this video I am going to explain to you the methods of preparation of alkyl chloride. Okay, using what is called as PCl3. So I write here preparation of alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide. I'll change that to alkyl chloride, and of course alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide again I'll give another way. So preparation of alkyl chloride using PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, and thionyl chloride. Now this thionyl chloride is SOCl2. Remember the formulas very well. Otherwise, at the time of examination and all, we make confusion and forget all these things. So that's why you have to remember them. Don't learn anything by heart. So I'll just write the reaction in general. Say A, using phosphorus trichloride, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. So ROH, general equation I am writing, PCl3. What you'll get here will be RCl. First compound that you get will be alkyl chloride because here there is chlorine. Now remaining P and OH, that together will react and form H3PO3. Now this is called as phosphorus acid. Now don't forget, H3PO4 is called phosphoric acid and H3PO3 is called phosphorus acid. Now balance the reaction here. Since here there are 3 chlorine, I can make here also 3 by putting say 3R. If I put that 3R, then from here this will become also 3. Okay, ROH, and see whether the equation is balanced or not. R3, R3, chlorine 3, chlorine 3, balanced. Here oxygen 3 and hydrogen 3, oxygen 3 and hydrogen 3. So your equation is balanced. Don't learn like this. 3 times ROH plus PCl3, don't do that. Okay, learn how to balance. Anytime you can balance the equation afterwards if you learn understandingly. Suppose I take example CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Just for example I have taken, not necessary that you have to take this only. And you practice it like this by writing. See, fully organic, you depend upon what writing the equation again. Then only you will get the practice. Otherwise, if you learn, just learn and go out from this thing wherever you are studying, then you will forget what you have learned. So therefore, what you have to do, learn the equation by writing again. Okay. Now here, what will be R group CH3, CH2, CH2. See, study that way. R group here is what? CH3, CH2, CH2. So this compound will be then CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. Okay, and remaining will be H3PO3. Okay, now balance it by putting here what? 3 over here and 3 over here. Okay, so equation is balanced. Then B, using PCl5, using phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. So I write the equation in general again here, ROH plus PCl5. What do you get here? This Cl again will replace the OH group and you get what? Alkyl chloride, RCl. Now in this case, it is not H3PO3. Here what will happen? P with O and Cl will form POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride. And H with Cl will form HCl. Remember, H with Cl form HCl. So I will write here HCl, whichever way you write, HCl plus POCl3. Okay. Now here see whether equation to be balanced or not. Here there are 5 chlorine. In this case 3, 4, 5. So chlorine no need of balancing. It is balanced. Oxygen 1. Oxygen is 1. And R1, R1. So here the equation is balanced by itself. Okay. So no need of balancing the equation. Suppose I write here, so I think if I write general equation, you should be able to write any equation accordingly. So I'll go directly now for using thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. Okay, so here if you use say PCl SOCl2, SOCl2, okay. Now what will get here compounds here, ROH plus SOCl2, alright. Now this reaction is carried out mostly in presence of pyridine. So they say what? Pyridine, PY, pyridine, okay. Now see the reaction here, R will form, combine with Cl and form RCl. So what we'll get here will be RCl, okay. And this SO and this O will combine and form SO2, sulfur dioxide, SO2. I am showing this as a gas, therefore it is going up. H and Cl, that will form HCl, also in the form of a gas. Okay. So what is left here will be alkyl chloride. Alright. Now why pyridine is here? Now what happened? This HCl which is formed and sulfur dioxide that is formed here, that can reverse the reaction. Okay. So in order to avoid that reversing of the reaction, they use what? Pyridine. Now remember, this method is the best method of preparation of pure alkyl chloride. Remember, pure alkyl chloride. Why? Because sulfur dioxide is escaping out, HCl also is escaping out. What is left there is RCl, alkyl chloride. So best method of preparation which is in the pure form. Suppose I take an example, any example you can take, CS3CHOH, CS3 plus SOCl2. What you will get here? Suppose even if you don't write pyridine, no harm, but usually they carry out the reaction using pyridine. Okay. So what you will get here will be CS3CH3. Remember, where there is OH, that OH has to be replaced by what? Cl. So this pyridine doesn't react, remember. So this will give you here Cl. So if I call this as OH, then this OH will be replaced by Cl. And the remaining will be what then? O with SO will form SO2. So I'll write in as SO2 as a gas plus HCl also in the form of a gas. No need of writing, HCl gas. Therefore, this is the best method of preparation of alkyl chloride. So this is another way how you can prepare alkyl chloride. Now, if you want to prepare alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide, I will explain to you in my next video. Okay, similar line. But there, alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide is not directly used by using what PCl, PI3, suppose say PI3 or PBr3, because those PI3 and PBr3 etc. they are unstable. So I will explain to you how you can get alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide on the similar basis. Okay. So I will see the next video of mine for the preparation of alkyl iodide or alkyl chloride in the similar line.